In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to ClickFunnels. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll have a clickable link on your funnel page that opens or downloads your PDF, whether that's a lead magnet, a checklist, a guide, or any other document you want to share. First, you need the direct link to your PDF. A common way to do this is by using a cloud storage service like Google Drive. Open your Drive and locate the PDF file you want to use. On the right side of that file, click the 3 vertical dots to open the options menu. From there, hover over the share option, then select copy link. This copies the shareable link for your PDF to your clipboard, and we'll paste it into ClickFunnels in a moment. Make sure your sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view the file, so your visitors don't run into permission errors. Next, log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over at the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Funnels. Click that, and you'll see a list of all the funnels in your account. Choose the specific funnel where you want to add your PDF access. This might be an opt-in funnel, a thank you page, or even a membership area. After selecting your funnel, the funnel editor will load. In the center of the screen, you'll see the different pages that belong to this funnel. Hover your mouse over the page where you want to add the PDF link. An edit button will appear on that page card. Click Edit to open the page editor. Inside the page editor, decide where on the page you want people to click to get the PDF. Hover over that section and you'll see an Add Element button appear. Click Add Element. A panel or drawer will slide open on the right side of your screen. In this drawer, you have a couple of options. You can go to the content section and choose a link element, or you can go to the form section and choose a button element. Both will work similarly. It just depends on your design preference. For this walkthrough, let's use the simple link element. Click on link and it will be added to your page. That same drawer on the right will now show the settings for your new link. Edit the text so it says something clear, like download now or get your PDF. Then look for the link action or on-click option. Click the drop-down and choose Go to a Must as at the type of action. Another drop-down will appear just below it. Open this one and choose Custom URL. You'll now see a field where you can paste your PDF link. Paste the link you copied from your drive into this field and double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the URL. Once everything looks correct, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. It's also a good idea to use the preview feature to test your link. Click on the link in the preview and make sure it opens your PDF in a new tab or starts the download, depending on your browser settings. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to your ClickFunnels page using a clickable link, and your visitors can now easily access your document.